Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate dragees. These delightful confections are essentially a core ingredient covered in a beautiful, hard chocolate shell. The process is quite technical, involving careful layering and precise control to achieve that signature smooth, glossy finish. We will go through each step, from selecting your core to the final polishing, ensuring you can create these irresistible treats at home. The journey to a perfect dragee begins with choosing the right core. Popular choices include roasted almonds, hazelnuts, or dried blueberries. For the best results, select cores that are relatively smooth and uniform in shape, as this helps the chocolate adhere evenly. If your chosen core has an irregular surface, a thin pre-coating can help create a smoother base for the chocolate layers to build upon. Now for the heart of the process, layering the chocolate. In a rotating panning machine, you'll gradually add tempered chocolate, typically maintained at 40 to 45 degrees Celsius. As the cores tumble, cold air, around 4 degrees Celsius, is introduced to help the chocolate crystallize quickly and evenly. This continuous rotation and controlled cooling builds up thin, consistent layers, forming the dragee's characteristic shell. A medium cocoa percentage chocolate, between 55 and 64%, often works best. The final steps are crucial for that professional look. After building the chocolate layers, hot air can be used to gently soften the surface, allowing the dragees to round out perfectly as they tumble. Once cooled, a glazing agent, such as a gum arabic solution or shellac, is applied in minute amounts to create a beautiful, non-sticky, and shiny finish. Remember, a perfectly clean panning environment is essential for achieving that exquisite, mirror-like gloss on your finished chocolate dragees.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.